Students, in the previous video lecture you have seen what is the meaning of moments, how to find the moments about mean, moment about variance and moment about any numbers, and what is the formula by which to find the variance and the standard deviation also. Today I am going to discuss one relation in between relation between between mu r and mu r dash. Today I am going to discuss a relation, how to find, how to establish. स्टूडेंट बेटा इस हम याद भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जो याद करने वाली चीज़ है अगर इसे हम लिखा जाए तो ज़्यादा बेहतर है। करते क्या है इसमें, करते ये हैं हम, एज वी नो दैट म्यू आर is equal to 1 upon n sigma summation fi xi minus a. You know, we know that this is a not a, this is x bar, this is a, we know that, यहाँ लिख सकते हैं हम we know that mu r is here, this is a moment about mean. This is moment about mean. Let us take this equation first. Now it can be rearranged in this way that here I vary from 1 to n, we can write this is fi and it can be xi minus a, I think minus x bar minus a. We can write, I think we can write this xi minus a, x bar minus a, because of after opening the bracket this becomes positive and this becomes negative. Due to this it becomes 0 to the power r. Just see, this be to the power r, and as we know that this is a binomial term which can be expanded by this way. We know that this is the second equation. We also know that by the binomial expansion nc0 plus nc1 nc2 plus and so on ncr plus ncr x to the power n minus r a to the power r plus and so on. हम इस तरह से इसको लिख सकते हैं by the using binomial extension. So by this way we can write also the value of this can be mu r can be written like this 1 upon n, and this is from fi, and यहाँ हम इस ब्रैकेट का यूज कर लें fi, यहाँ हम यूज कर लें ऐसे This is treated as x and this is treated as a. So now nc0 means rc0, rc0, because of in place of n here n is replaced by r. So here this is a rc0 x I minus a to the power r into this to the power 0 plus nc1 xi minus a to the power n minus r, and this is a x bar minus a. Okay students, as it is plus nc2, okay, x minus xi minus a n minus, sorry, this is rc2 r minus 2 into x bar minus a का होल स्क्वायर प्लस एंड सो ऑन. यहाँ के बाद आपको ऐसा दिख रहा होगा, हम सभी ये जानते भी हैं, इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, थोड़ा मॉडिफिकेशन थोड़ा सा और सिंप्लीफाई करें तो हम लिख सकते हैं इसको म्यू आर इज इक्वल टू, दिस इज म्यू आर इक्वल टू 1 by n fi. This rc0 becomes 1, r0 be 1, r, this is, sorry, this should be r, this is r minus 1, this is r minus 2. It is due to the habit, because of हम सभी स्टार्टिंग से ये पढ़ते हैं x प्लस ए टू द पावर n, इसलिए ऐसा हो रहा है बार बार. नाउ 1 upon n, इसे हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, दिस इज 1, दिस इज 1, सो समेशन fi xi माइनस ए टू द पावर r, इसे हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं एक्स आई माइनस ए टू द पावर आर. और क्या लिख सकते हैं, प्लस, प्लस नहीं, यहाँ होगा जैसे दिस इज माइनस, ये माइनस साइन के साथ होगा इसलिए ये नेगेटिव होगा और ये पॉजिटिव होगा, अगला टर्म नेगेटिव होगा, अगला टर्म नेगेटिव होगा क्योंकि ये नेगेटिव है. सो जब नेगेटिव का पावर 1 होगा तो ये माइनस होगा. ऐसे हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं आर सी वन बी आर, दिस इज समेशन, दिस इज एक्स बार माइनस ए लिख सकते हैं. और क्या लिख सकते हैं, इसको लिख सकते हैं समेशन एफ आई एक्स आई माइनस ए और आर माइनस 1 लिख सकते हैं. सो नाउ इन दिस वे अगला टर्म लिख सकते हैं इसमें प्लस, अगला टर्म जो प्लस होगा, अगला टर्म जो होगा प्लस होगा. यहाँ लिख सकते हैं आर सी वन, आर सी टू की वैल्यू को हम लिख सकते हैं फैक्टोरियल आर, आई थिंक आर सी टू बी फैक्टोरियल आर माइनस 2 फैक्टोरियल 2. तो ये लिख सकते हैं आर माइनस 1 अपॉन फैक्टोरियल 2. यहाँ लिख सकते हैं आर माइनस 1 अपॉन फैक्टोरियल 2 और सिंप्लीफाई कर इसे लिख सकते हैं एक्स माइनस ए का, सॉरी एक्स बार माइनस ए का होल स्क्वायर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो नाउ और क्या लिख सकते हैं, समेशन एफ आई एक्स आई माइनस ए टू द पावर आर माइनस 2 लिख सकते हैं, माइनस एंड सो ऑन, ऐसा हम कर सकते हैं. ओके, फ्रॉम हियर mu r can be written as mu r can be written 1 upon n, just see it can be just wait 1 minute because of I'm going to define mu r dash, mu1, mu2 and so on. Just see mu r dash is equal to, you have learned that 1 upon n summation fi xi minus a to the power r. This is mu r dash. Mu r is 1 upon n summation 1 upon n summation fi xi minus a to the power, sorry, this will be x bar to the power r. Similar expression can be written. Just see 1 minute. This is mu r. If this is r, so this is r. If this is 2, this is 2. This is 1, this is 1. This is 0, so it should be 0. Now, consider the case whenever it becomes r minus 1, it means this becomes mu r minus 1. If this is r minus 2, this becomes r minus 2. Now, in this way, we will find that this is the value of, after multiplying n inside the bracket, we will obtain like this 1 upon n summation fi xi minus a to the power r minus r x bar minus a 1 upon n summation fi xi minus a to the power r minus 1 plus r minus 1 upon factorial 2 x bar minus a whole square, and this is 1 upon n summation fi xi minus a r minus 2 minus and so on we can write. Think upon it. इसको देखा जा सकता है, यहां से आप लिख सकते हैं इसको. This is mu r, and what is this? By comparing this term first term with this term, we will find that this is mu r dash. Okay, students, this is mu r dash. Just see, this is equal to this. This is mu r dash, so now this is mu r dash. So as the same process, minus, and we have also learned in previous class videos, you have learned that after by putting the r is equal to 1, you will find like this: mu 1 dash is equal to 1 upon n summation fi xi minus a. We can write. Okay. Now from here, after opening the bracket, this becomes a summation fi upon n. So now at last this becomes x minus x bar minus a. Mu 1 dash is x bar minus a. Mu 1 dash is x bar minus a. Okay. So what is this? Just see. What is this? This is mu 1 dash. What is this? This is mu 2 dash. Sorry, mu 1 dash square and so on. So now this is mu r dash r, mu 1 dash, and what is this? Just see. If this is r, so now this is r. If this is r minus 1, this is r minus 1. This is 2, so this is 2. So now it becomes mu r minus 1 dash. Okay, students, plus r we can write r minus 1 upon factorial 2, and this be mu1 dash square, mu1 dash square, and this be mu r minus 2, r minus 2 dash, plus and so on, minus and so on. So by this way, by doing so, we will obtain mu r is equal to mu r dash minus r. We can write r c1 because of it is just for simplicity. Mu1 dash mu r minus 1 dash plus rc2 mu1 dash square mu r minus 2 dash plus minus rc3 mu1 dash cube, I think यही होगा, and mu r minus 3 dash plus and so on. This is a relation between rth central moment as well as rth raw moment. This is a relation in between, because of this is the rth central moment and this is the rth raw moment. So to write in easiest way, we will put the value we will obtain for r is equal to 1. Sorry for that, because of, as you know that mu 0 is always 1 and mu 1 is always 0, so nothing, it is not necessary to find mu 1 for r is equal to 2, 3, 4, we can find. After putting r is equal to 2, this becomes mu 2. Just see, this becomes mu 2. And what is this? Mu 2 dash minus 2 c1 mu 1 dash, and this is after putting 2 minus 1, so mu 1 dash. Okay students, mu 1 dash plus this is 2c2, this is mu 1 dash square, and this is mu 0 dash. For similar expression can be obtained, but as we know that we have only learned about the value of mu 0, mu 1 and mu 2, not for, this is for r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, this is for r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, but not for r is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So remaining term becomes 0, can be left. Now mu 2 becomes mu 2 dash 2c1 is 2 mu 1 dash square plus this is 1 mu 1 dash, sorry, this is mu 1 dash square, because the mu 0 dash is always 1 by using this. So again we can simplify again, this can be done like this. इसे हम और सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं, mu 2 इक्वल टू mu 2 dash minus 2 plus 1 is because u1 dash square. This is a relation between second central moment and second and first raw moment. it means that this is the relation between mu and mu dash. Okay, it can be similar expression, means by putting r is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, we can find the relation between mu2, mu3, expression for mu3, expression for mu4. So now I am going to discuss with you. For r is equal to 3, let us find that relation. For r is equal to 3, just see, this should be mu3 and this is mu3 dash. This is a 3c1, this is a mu1 dash, this is a mu2 dash, because of by putting r is equal to 3, this becomes equal to 2 plus 3c2, this becomes mu1 dash square, this becomes 3 minus 2 mu1 dash, this becomes 3c3, this is mu1 dash cube and this is mu 0 dash and so on. Next term can be left onward. Now mu3 becomes like this, mu3 dash minus 3c1, which means 3, mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu1 dash, just see, plus 3c2, I think it should also be 3, I think this should be also be 3, mu2 dash, mu1 dash square, mu1 dash, minus mu1 dash cube minus mu1 dash cube, ये होगा. So from here we can find the relation. Just see, this is a mu2 dash mu1 dash plus 2, as we know that mu1 dash be 0, sorry, mu 0 dash is 1 and this is a, it should be mu 1 dash, this should be mu1 dash cube, this should be mu1 dash cube. गलती कहाँ हो गई, हो रही है 3c3 एग्जिस्ट करेगा, mu1 dash cube and 3 minus 3 0, तो ये हो जाएगा mu1 dash cube और यहाँ हो जाएगा 3, ये हो जाएगा mu1 dash cube. हाँ ठीक है, यहाँ से आप लिख सकते हैं इसको, यहाँ से आप लिख सकते हैं इसको, mu3 is equal to 3, this is a 3 mu1 dash cube minus mu1 dash cube, 3 minus 1 2, it becomes 2. So mu3 is mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash mu1 dash plus 2 mu1 dash cube. एक रिलेशन तो ये मिलेगा, एक रिलेशन तो ये मिलेगा. तीसरा रिलेशन, तीसरा जहां तक मुझे जरा हमें पढ़ना है और जानना भी है होगा, फॉर r इज इक्वल टू 4, फॉर r इज इक्वल टू 4, we can find out, for r is equal to 4 we can find in this way. For r is equal to 4 it should be, this is a mu 4, this become mu 4 dash minus 4c1 mu 1 dash mu 3, this becomes mu 3 dash 4 minus 1 plus 4c2 mu 1 dash square, and this becomes mu 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, this is mu 2 dash minus 4c3, this should be 4c3 mu 1 dash cube and mu 1 dash. Okay students, plus 4c4 mu 1 dash to the power 4 into, this becomes I think 4 minus 4 mu 1 mu 0 dash, ये होगा. Now remaining term can be left. I think this should be mu 4 is equal to mu 4 dash minus 4 mu 1 dash and mu 3 dash, this becomes mu 3 dash mu 1 dash 4c2, I think 4c2 becomes 6, just see 4c2, it means factorial 4 upon factorial 2 factorial 2, it means 4 into 3 into factorial 2 upon factorial 2 into factorial 2, 2 दूना 4, it means that 4c2 be 3 6, so it should be 6 mu 1 dash mu 2 dash mu 1 dash square 4c3 be 4, I think 4 mu 1 dash to the power 4, just see, and this becomes 4c4 becomes 1, so plus mu 1 dash power 4. Students, you can write mu 4 is equal to just see mu 4 dash minus 4 mu 3 dash mu 1 dash plus 6 mu 2 dash mu 1 dash square minus 3 mu 1 dash to the power 4. This is the expression for mu 4 also. From these three discussion, you can say that, just see, the coefficient of the moment, either it may be second, third, fourth, first, the algebraic sum of the coefficient should be 0. 1 minus 1, this becomes 0. 1 and minus 1 becomes 0. Just see, for the second, this is 1 and this is 2. 2, 1, 3, 3 minus 3 becomes 0. 3 minus 3 becomes 0. Okay students, just next one, यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं, this is 6 and this is 1. 6 and 1 becomes 7 and minus 4 and minus 3 becomes 7. So 7 minus 7 becomes 0. यहाँ इस डिस्कशन से हम ये कह सकते हैं, दो तीन बातें हम कह सकते हैं इस डिस्कशन से. पहला तो ये कह सकते हैं कि the coefficient of the sum of the coefficient of the various term on right hand side is 0. Okay, and the number of term on right hand side is equal to order of the left hand side. आप ये कह सकते हैं the number of term right hand side is equal to the order of, just see, this is a 1 2 term, this is 2 term, so this is order is mu 2. This is 3 term, 1 2 3 term, order is mu 3. This is 4 term, fourth term, 1 2 3 4, now order be mu 4. In this way you can say, you can find the relation between mu r as well as mu r dash। इस रिलेशन का यूज करके हम, यदि हमें रॉ मोमेंट पता हो तो हम सेंट्रल मोमेंट फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, सेंट्रल मोमेंट पता हो तो रॉ मोमेंट फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, बाई वाइस वर्सा है दोनों, ये हम काम करते हैं। इस प्रकार ही हम दूसरे भी रिलेशन को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, जिसको मैं डायरेक्ट आपको लिख दे रहा हूँ, इसे भी आप इस तरह से कर सकते हैं। सो नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन बी रिलेशन बिटवीन nu r and mu r। So here nu1 is equal to x bar. We know that yesterday in the last video you have seen mu2 plus x bar square, mu3 equal to mu3 plus 3 mu2 x bar plus x bar cube, mu4 equal to mu4 plus 4 mu3 x bar plus 6 mu2 x bar square plus x bar to the power 4। इस तरह से हम और भी रिलेशन का भी, इन संबंधों का भी यूज कर सकते हैं। ये संबंध ये बताते हैं कि अगर हमें सेंट्रल मोमेंट पता हो तो हम मोमेंट अबाउट ओरिजिन निकाल सकते हैं, या मीन अगर हमें ये पता हो तो हम बाकी भी चीज़ें एज इट इज निकाल सकते हैं। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो इस तरह से हम आगे भी, अब इस पे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम आपको इन सभी पे बेस्ड प्रॉब्लम बताएंगे कि हम प्रॉब्लम कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं, क्योंकि एक प्रॉब्लम आपके सेमेस्टर एग्जाम में मोमेंट्स से आना ही आना है। आफ्टर दैट कंप्लीट मोमेंट कंप्लीट होने के बाद हमने बता रखा है मोमेंट इज अ स्टैटिस्टिकल टूल विच आर यूज्ड टू डिस्क्राइब द नेचर ऑफ द फंक्शन वी हैव टोल्ड अर्लियर। नाउ जो मोमेंट आपने देखा, आपने सेंट्रल मोमेंट के बारे में पढ़ा, आपने रॉ मोमेंट के बारे में पढ़ा, आपने मोमेंट अबाउट ओरिजिन के बारे में पढ़ा, इन सब का एक दूसरे से रिलेशन फाइंड आउट किया, डिराइव किया। हम अगले वीडियो में आपको इस पे बेस्ड प्रॉब्लम बताएंगे, जो कि जिससे कि आप आगे की प्रॉब्लम कर सकेंगे। ओके, थैंक यू।